So it's going to be absolutely impossible unless you want me to create a 3-hour video to show you everything here in Artasenda. It's such a big store here in the centre of Sanur. You have the supermarket in the basement, and you have all this huge array of clothing, souvenirs, goods. Everything you can imagine is sold upstairs, so you're going to have to come here yourself. That's all I can say. Mango available here also. Feet. We sell dog food. Ah, look at that ghost pepper. Flaming spicy. That's Real Madrid. So it's just a massive everything, guys. Clothing, 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 cosmetic. Some ladies' dresses here, guys. Massage oil. Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. So I'm here today at the only supermarket in central Sanur. This is ARTASENDANA Supermarket, formerly known as Hardy's, which is right smack in the centre of Jalan, Tamblingan, here in the centre of Sanur. So I'm going to take you on a tour, guys, and show you around this supermarket. And it also sells a huge array of souvenirs and clothing. I'm going to show it you all in today's vlog. So come with me, guys, and let's go and explore around ARTASENDANA Supermarket. It's okay too?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So this is the old Hardy's supermarket for those of you that are familiar with Sanur. And then we have a huge array of clothes here available. Kids, man's, woman's, sarongs. You have a bookshop here. And you have a collection of ladies' dresses here. Some sports tops here. Manchester City football shirt. That's Real Madrid. Barcelona. You can get some sunglasses also. And you have some handbags collection here. Some perfumes. You have some perfect for your holiday shirts. And this is the supermarket. You have a wines and spirits section over here. And then you have all your groceries and foods are down all the aisles here. Fresh fruit. Mango. You have a pharmacy over here, and this is your cashiers. You have a good collection of fruit available. Pumpkin, apples, pineapples, papaya, and then you have all your fruits available here also. Eggs, drinks available, and your beers. Coke, Fanta, fresh juices, yogurts, Greek yogurts, meats here, guys. We have a collection of cooked meats here, guys, on a deli counter. They are packaged. However, you can see they have salamis and hams, Danish ham. And here's a selection of chicken available. And here's the chicken feet. Ooh, some strange pieces of chicken there, guys. And then they also have the seafood here also. A collection of tinned foods here, guys. Dog food. And this is the beef. It's all sealed in packages, the beef. It's beef topside. And this is the pork section, guys. So beef, pork and chicken available to you, and also they have a selection of fish, seafood as well. An array of all your sauces and everything here, guys. Even HP sauce, all the tomato sauces, Heinz sauce, and then you have coffees on this aisle. Have some biscuits down here and snacks. Noodles, oil, pasta and pasta sauces. Here, guys, you have a selection of juices and fizzy drinks, Coca-Cola, Fanta, Sprite, etc. Aqua. And here you have some Indonesian snacks, some crisps. Crisps on both sections here, guys. A selection of nuts also. Pringles. Ooh la la, look at that ghost pepper. Flaming spicy. Have a wines and spirits section also here, guys. It's a good collection. Truck here for ARTASENDANA, and there's a span of the place, guys. So you have a huge array of clothing in here also. We're just going to make our way upstairs now, guys, and just as I'm making my way upstairs, I'll just show you a little bit of clothing that's here on the ground floor. So you have a huge array of t-shirts here. Bintang beer t-shirts, and all this section is just full with t-shirts and clothing, ladies, men's and kids. Some nice ladies dresses here, an array of ladies clothing here specifically for your holiday. Some inflatables as well, also swimming goggles, diving, and snorkels also, guys. So I have Lanty 2 now, which is the second floor. So on the second floor, guys, you're just going to find a huge array of everything, mainly clothes. So we'll just give you a brief tour around, but this is a big section of the place, so I'm not going to spend too much time here. So I'll just show you basically what's here. So you have some discount items up here, discount 30%, discount 50%, sarongs, all ladies clothing. Children's clothing. So you can see, guys, it's just a huge, this is all kids clothing on this side. This is girls, kids, boys. Just so many. You want singlets for kids, they're here. And we just have babies clothing in this section. We have some teenagers here. We have some household items here. Shorts, guys. Men's shorts. Nice little collection of beach bags here, guys. You need a suitcase if you're overloaded. Got a collection of suitcases. So here you have trainers also, guys. I don't think these are originals, I think they're only a cheap version of a trainer. And you have some sandals here. Some traditional sandals. You just have so much sandals and shoes in this section, guys, for the kids as well. Spider-Man, Avengers, Batman. All the kids' clothing. It's just full of kids' clothing, guys. A little selection of toys here. And we have some caps. And we have some bracelets. Hairbands, hair clips, and down in this section, guys, you have an array of natural products, massage oil, incense, soaps, and a huge collection of souvenirs. All your wood carvings are also available. This is just basically all souvenir stuff, guys, that you find all over the streets of Bali. huge array. Some coasters and little baskets here, dishes, some tissue boxes, normal traditional souvenirs, soaps and sets. Nice candles here. Earrings, necklaces, bracelets, belts. So it's just a massive everything, guys. Clothing, cosmetic, handmade, and souvenirs over on this side, and you even have a section of jewellery here. Some ladies' dresses here, guys. It's just all ladies' dresses. So it's going to be absolutely impossible unless you want me to create a 3-hour video to show you everything here in Artasenda. It's such a big store here in the centre of Sanur. You have the supermarket in the basement, and you have all this huge array of clothing, souvenirs, goods. Everything you can imagine is sold upstairs, so you're going to have to come here yourself. That's all I can say. Little bronze items here as well, guys.